In this video, I show you how to use Google Finance. So this is a new app launched by Google and it's available on all your phones. So the first step is to download this app. Just go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it. Once that's done, open it. Then you'll have to log in with your Google account. If you have multiple, just select whichever one you want to log in with. And then click on Continue. And once that's done, you'll reach the home page. So here, I'll quickly give an overview of this page. So at the top, you can see all the different markets if you just swipe through this list. So like this, you can click on each to see what's going on in that market. After that, you can scroll down. Then here, they've given an AI summary for the market for today. So like this, you can go through each of these summaries. Then if you scroll down, you'll see all the latest news articles. So this was 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. And if you want to see more, just click on Show More. And then you'll see the entire list. And after this, they have more options like upcoming earnings or more news articles. So this is everything in the markets page. And now let's head over to the lists page. So click on lists below. And this is the page from which you can create your watch lists. So currently, I only have the default one, but I'll show you how to add stocks to this. So just click on Add Investments, that's here. Then here, search for the stock. Let's say I search for Alphabet. As you can see, all the options have come from all the different markets. So let's say I want the first option. I'll click on plus and it's added. So now if I go back, you can see Alphabet has come here. And if you want to add more, click on the 3 dots and select Add Entities. After that, if you want to create another watch list, click on the plus button. Then here enter the name of the watch list and click on Create. And you can see this has gotten added below. And in this, we can have different stocks which we want to track. So essentially in this page, you can create different watch lists and add stocks to each of them. And now coming to the last page, which is the AI page. For that, click on the Ask button at the bottom right. And over here, we can ask any financial question related to the markets. So over here, they've given the sample question. Let's try it out. And this is the answer to what's going on with the markets today. And you can see they've given a summary of the major events. One feature which I liked in this is that the AI answer will have graphs which are interactive. So like this, you can change the dates and you can see the graph is changing as well. And then if you want to go to a new chat, just click on this button on top. So this is mainly how it works. And there's one last setting which you should know. For that, click on your account's icon on the top right, go to settings, and from here, you can decide your start page. So either the markets page or the lists page, you can decide which one should show up when you open the app. So this is basically how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.